Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Automation Testing Online. In today's video, we are going to study about STLC. STLC stands for Software Testing Lifecycle. Software Testing Lifecycle is a particular phase in software development lifecycle, which we discussed in my previous video. Software testing lifecycle depends on methodologies. There are types of methodologies which we will discuss in my upcoming videos. There are 6 phases in STLC. The first phase is requirement analysis. In this phase, once the software is developed, it will come for testing purpose. Testers will analyze the requirements and they will study the functional and non-functionality requirements. If they have any doubts, they will clarify it during the walkthrough sessions. They will also discuss what are all the test cases that can be covered within the current sprint. Testers will identify the types of tests that can be performed. The next phase is test planning. Test planning is the phase where the planning of the entire project is done. In this phase, they will discuss about the team resource, project's deadline, estimated cost will be discussed. Test tool selection will be done. In simple words, test planning is the blueprint for the entire project from the beginning to the end. Test planning is prepared by the test architects. The next phase is test case development. Test case development is the phase where the manual testers start to create test cases, test scenarios. Automation testers will create automation scripts and requirement traceability matrix. We will discuss about requirement traceability matrix in my upcoming videos. And the test cases will be reviewed by the peers and the leads. The next phase is test environmental setup. Test environmental is the environment where the testers actually work. Each team has its own environments. For example, development team has dev environment and testing team has SIT environment. There are types of environments which we will discuss in my later videos. So, once a software is developed and it goes through all the phases, it will not be directly deployed to the live environment. Instead, it will be deployed to different environments and it will be tested under different circumstances. Test environmental setup is usually done by the operations team. Once the test environmental setup is done, testers will perform smoke test. The next phase is test execution. In this phase, the test cases will be executed as per the plan. Testers will identify the bugs. Documentation of the results will be done. And for failed test cases, the logging of the defects will be done. Retesting of the fixed defects will also be done. And the final phase is test cycle closure. In this phase, they will evaluate the cycle completion. Test result analysis will be done. It means they will analyze what are all the test cases that has been passed and what are all has been failed. They will also maintain a closure report, which includes the evidences and attachments of the failed and passed test cases. It also includes the confirmation mails and approval mails. And in this test cycle closure, they will discuss what has to be improved for the upcoming sprint. So friends, I hope you have got a clear idea of software testing lifecycle. We will meet in my next video. Thank you.